Hey guys, welcome back to the Snapper and Chronicles. We're coming back at you with another Ratchet, this time a mystery Ratchet. As you see, they added quite a bit of tubing or some material on the handle, and it keeps us from knowing what manufacturer this is. But I have my suspicion on what this is. But before we get into it, if you could do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you like any of these videos or you think any of this information is worthwhile. Alright, yeah, picked this up at I think it was a garage sale a while back, and I haven't really messed with it too much, but kind of was freaked out at this handle. You can see it doesn't look like the typical dip handle. I mean, it looks better than what you would see when people dip their tools. This part here, for one, is really thick. You see here, over on this side, where it slides all the way up to this part. You see how thick that tubing is there? So I doubt this is a dip type of job that they did on this. I don't know, it just looks too good. Here is a bit thinner, I guess. I'm not sure if this is just one piece that's thick, or this red part is sliding over this black part here. But you can see the line there. Yeah, that's a pretty defined straight line. So like I said, I doubt this was dipped or anything like that. See some looks like somebody used it to, either they hammered on it or used it as a hammer. Because usually if you're hammering on it, it would have, to break something, it would have marks on this side or that side. Here they're kind of on top, so I'm not sure what that is. And then there's this. You hear that? What is that? Oh my god. So what I'm thinking is that they covered this to use this in some high electrical sort of work, but I'm not sure if this is factory made or homemade. But I see some over here. Looks like there was some arcing. That doesn't look like it was hit. It looks like maybe some some good sparks, some really high energy sparks came out of there. So maybe this was made for a high energy or high voltage, high amperage type of work. So not sure. But this stuff here, not sure what that is either. It's black. Looks like it would come off, but been too lazy, so it stayed on. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh, we see some letters here. Looks like a K and an X. Alright, so let's open it up and see what we can see. Okay, it has a ring, one of those compression rings that go around the mechanism. This is what it looks like. Okay, and here is the mechanism. I mean, not bad. The machining looks a little bit rough, but not too bad, I guess. This is the mechanism. The switch that goes back and forth. It has the swinging pole a la SK style. And let's take it apart further and see what we see. Okay. is not wanting to cooperate too well. Alright. See if we try it again. I'm trying to depress the ball detent, or the detent, the plunger with the pawl, but it's giving me a fight. See if I go to the other side. Oh, you know what? I think the plungers can come out. I think it just can come out with a tweezer. Since it's going out of the reach of the pawl. So there's the plunger, and hopefully this should be able to come out now. Okay, there's that. Let me grab a tissue, because this seems like it's pretty greasy. Okay, here's the switch, and looks like there's some oil or grease on the side here. Is that a letter? No, that's just a circle of grease. Alright. Inside the hole of the switch, there's a spring in the hole. And the switch part of the switch, the switching lever, is pinned in place here. So it's two pieces. It's pinned to the barrel. Here is the plunger. The plunger is solid, no hole on the back side. So just a solid metal piece. Okay, now the pawl. This is the pin for the pawl. Has a hole in the front, kind of depression, and on the back it's flat. A big size pin, pretty fat. And here's the pawl. Has 3 teeth per side. This is a 1/2-inch drive, by the way. That's what the pawl looks like. It's a good amount of grease on it, old grease. And here is the mechanism. So we get a little bit better light here. So, any ideas, guys, out there? Drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think this is. I'm not gonna say. I'm gonna leave it up to you guys to tell me. Looks like it's USA made. It's the ball detent. It's pretty strong. Yeah. Okay, to put this back together, take your pawl, put it, match the holes there, take your pin, drop that in like that, take your switch and plunger, and put the flat part of the plunger on the spring, and the round part goes up like that. Now You take something and you depress the plunger and attempt to insert it. Let's see if it doesn't want to go down enough. Let's see if we cock it a little bit. I just noticed it's kind of flat on top there. I don't know why. So we're gonna try to put it in on the side where it looks a little bit more round and see if that works better. No, that doesn't work better. Okay. So we do it the way we'll put this in the way we took it out. Just put the switch in, cock it all the way to the side to where you can see the hole in there. Take a tweezer, and drop the plunger in the hole. Okay, like that. So now you twist so the plunger goes under the pawl and twist it around, and make sure when this part here, the switch part, push it down like that, and then it clicks in like there into that to that corner there. It falls in deeper. So now it's switching after all that time. Okay, and here is the switch on the other side. Looks like it was used for a hammer. Like most big tools tend to have that misfortune. It's like that. There's a cutout there for the switch. Okay, now we might have to center the pawl to make it easier. Like so. Take your ring. Let's see if it's ratcheting. It's switching and ratcheting. Hear that noise? That's the switch. See that? The switch is a bit loose there. There's like space in between this round switch and the actual inside. But there we go. There is the mystery ratchet. So you guys, I have my ideas, so you guys give me yours. What do you think it is? All right, guys, until next time.